What's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Nayan Creators. Today in this video I am unboxing a car. So the name of the car is Short Truck Course Racing Royal RC car. So this is the box of the car, and the car can come in three colors: red, blue, green, and I had taken red color. So before watching my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you enjoy the video, give a like, and for more and more videos, please press the bell icon. So let me start. Now let me open the box. I had opened. Now I will remove the car. So this is the car and the remote controller. Inside this box we had got the user manual. You can see here. I will keep this in the side, and here is the simulation box. Inside the simulation box we got a battery or a cell, a charger. So these things we got inside the simulation box. Next, now I will open the remote controller. So this is the remote controller. And the last one is the car. Now I will put the battery. Now I will put the battery inside the remote controller. We need two batteries. First one and the second one. Now I will put the back cover. Now I will test the car. Here is the on-off switch for the car I had on, and the on-off switch for the remote controller I had on. The light is coming. So thank you for watching this video. Tata, take care.